Hello, it's Kylie Bertucci, Stamping Up Demonstrator in Australia, here with you with some very exciting news. I wanted to share a little bit more information about the Ornate Garden Suite early release. Now, this is something that only Stamping Up demonstrators have access to pre-order right now, which is really exciting. I know I've already placed my order, which is really good. But I just wanted to show you some of these beautiful products because what you can actually do is add this to a starter kit right now. Yes, correct. You can join up, get the amazing special in March, get your free little mini cutter, get your 48 sheets of paper and a free stamp set, and be able to order some of these gorgeous new stamp sets and paper embellishments. And I'm going to show you exactly what is in this suite in case you're enticed to come and join. I think this is going to be the clincher for a lot of people. People are like, oh, should I join? Oh, now I have to join. So let's just go through, as you can see on this first page here, some absolutely beautiful designer series paper here. This is actually gold foil here that's inside the paper. So you definitely want to be getting some of that gold foil to match your designer series paper. We can see some beautiful dies, and we'll look at those a little bit closer up. Some really nice embellishments like ribbon and these gorgeous gems here as well. So let's just go across, have a look at a few more of these samples. Oh, just breathtaking. Look at this petal pink one with the gold at the front. So simple with the Love It, Chop It designer series paper at the front there. These gorgeous dies with these brand new stamp sets are just absolutely spectacular. You can see here in the sample they've done the watercolouring, so used the brand new stamp set, and I'm pretty sure that's in the Ornate Style bundle, which is the Ornate Style stamp set, and I'll go into more detail as to which one is which. But they've just done it in white embossing on watercoloured paper and then coloured it in. How stunning is that? All these gorgeous ones here, a new embossing folder. We love new things. I just absolutely adore it. So on our next page here, a little bit more of a close-up, the designer series paper. We're seeing some more dies here as well. You've got these gorgeous frames, and look at the detail in them. Isn't that just spectacular? I'm loving this little bit of a close-up of the gems, which is exciting. They're called the gilded gems. And if we go across, oh yeah, look at that. So that's the designer series paper made into, looks like it's, is it a card or maybe even a gift box or something like that? But then I love this beautiful die, and you can see it's one of those dies that's sort of half cut, so you can still have a bit of the cardstock still there. And then you can do this gorgeous colouring. It looks like they've come in, Stampin' Up! Come in with the watercolour pencils on that one, which is a great idea for colouring. I know it works really well with the current flowering foils. It's beautiful with the sponge daubers, so hopefully this paper's the same. And even the blends it works really well with, so we shall see if this is the same. We can see a great idea here with that gorgeous Ornate Style stamp set, and they've done it in the gold embossing with the embossing folder in the background. Love! Oh, look at that. That's definitely Love It, Chop It designer series paper. Absolutely stunning, and a nice close-up of those gems too, which is nice to see. I love that geometric design on them, and they look like they're gold, which is fantastic. And I love these sentiments. That font is fantastic. Totally winner with this beautiful ribbon. There's two colours in the ribbon. I'm pretty sure it's Old Olive, and there's another colour, but I'll grab that in a moment, those colours for you. And we've got this gorgeous background. I love what they've done here with the tone on tone with the dies, and that is the, I think that might be the Ornate Layers dies, but we'll see as we're going along with the pictures. Oh, look at that. Seriously, I told you, you're going to want to join up. It's a no-brainer. And I love what they've done here. They've done some sponging with the, done the die cutting and then used it as sponging on the card. Really, really clever option there. Another one here, nice and bright, out there, colourful, just fantastic. Oh, seriously, how does Stampin' Up keep doing it? Seriously, look at this beautiful flower. Oh, it's just breathtaking, seriously. And look at the embossing behind in the white with the gilded gems on top. See, that's the stamp set there. And with this frame, it's just spectacular. This one too with the gold frame. And then look at the paper behind with the vellum. Wow, wow, wow. I love this type of ribbon layering too. I really need to start doing a bit more of that. Brilliant Stampin' Up. Oh, look at this. How adorable is that? Oh, that's designer series paper. Beautiful ribbon. Look at it. Imagine getting a gift in that. You'd be like, oh, the gift is the bag. Thanks. And again, layering with that beautiful vellum cardstock that Stampin' Up has. If you haven't got any of that vellum cardstock, stock up because it's so gorgeous. Amazing. You're amazing, Stampin' Up. So these are the products. So we've got the Ornate Thanks bundle. So this is the bundle here. And at first I was like, are there two different types of dies? But this is what it looks like when you cut out the dies. So there are dies that allow you to then cut it out fully. So you can see with this one here, you can cut it out completely if you want to. So that's that one there. This one, I don't think that there's one to cut that out, but if you really wanted to, you could probably fussy cut that, but I think it looks fantastic as it is. And then you've got these extras here and these other borders here, which are going to be so handy. Some really great sentiments here. Thank you, so grateful, thanks. Seriously. I love that one. You're amazing. Thanks for all your help. You made my day. Yeah, it's really fantastic. Your kindness is so loved from the bottom of my heart. It's really great. And even just and you can say, I'm so grateful. I'm like, thanks. No. So it's a really, really great stamp set. I know I'm going to get a lot of, and I really like that it says from all of us, because I know there's some families that are like, why does it just say I? So that's really great. Yay! So these are the dies on their own, and as you can see, this is the only one that you have that you can use to cut it out fully. Which, looking at this, I am saying is this one here. From the looks of things, this one at the top looks like it cuts it out directly. Let's have a look. Oh no, it's still embedded into the paper. But yeah, maybe that. No, this one must be from that one. Yep. So that's the only one that you can have a standalone, which is fine. That one's absolutely stunning. And then if you really, really wanted to have a standalone, you can get your paper snips out. But I think that that is absolutely spectacular. And you could even layer over the top of it and have this die showing over the top. Beautiful. So that's the dies separately and cut, and the ones that are cut out. So yeah, that one's the one that's cut out, definitely. And that's the stamp set on its own. So the stamp set on its own is called Ornate Thanks, and then the dies are called the Ornate Layers. Yeah, so they're the layers, because we just go layer upon layer, and then the borders are quite obvious because they're borders. So they're part of the Ornate border Ornate Style bundle, but these dies are the Ornate Borders die, and you can obviously buy these separately if you want to, but it's much better to get them in a bundle, because then you get 10% off. Even if you do add it to your starter kit, then you're getting the 10% off. Unfortunately, the full bundle is just a few dollars above the $235 for the bundle, but I'll show you exactly how you can add pretty much everything except for either the ribbon or the gems, but you could get that on your first demonstrator order, so it's not a big deal. So, oh, look at those gems. Maybe the ribbon you'll have to get later. Get the gems right away because they're just so pretty. I absolutely love them. And that's the bordered frames. So that's the Ornate Borders die. I absolutely think these are just going to walk out the door. Like, look at these. They'll be fantastic for sentiments, that one there. And these just are absolutely spectacular. And that's the stamp set, the Ornate style stamp set. It's just gorgeous. I can see that coloured in, and you've got that gorgeous daisy on its own. Really, really pretty stamp set, and I love the design. It's spectacular, that one. And here is the Love It, Chop It designer series paper. Give more paper. Just make sure you're using it. Love it, chop it. So this will be a little bit challenging to chop, but don't worry, I'll be there with you to help you. And yet again, Stampin' Up! Have done this amazing design that's perfect for card making. They're doing these smaller type of images that are going to make it easier for us to use on our cards and for it to look absolutely incredible. It's going to make us look like a professional in an instant. We'll just like stick paper down and be like, wow, you're amazing. Look at your cards. I know, I stuck down paper. And this is the ribbon. So this is Ornate Garden. And I'm pretty sure, I'm thinking it's terracotta tile, if I remember reading correctly, but I will get that information for you when we jump out of here and go to the other one, and that is the beautiful embossing folder. So that embossing folder is Ornate Floral embossing folder. And I think, yeah, that's our last one. So let me just jump over to, hopefully I've got the right page here. Yes, here we go. So this is the joining option. I've already clicked through on the two sections that you need to read through before you get to this page, and if you've seen my videos before, you would see it basically talks about if you are wanting to sell, what the policies are for selling. But if you don't want to sell, don't feel under pressure that you have to sell, because you don't. Stampin' Up! Are fine with you joining up just for the 20% off discount. And what I've done is you can click on the starter kit here, and then you're going to get this option. It says choose your starter kit value. And the cool thing at the moment is when you join, you're going to get $235 worth of value, but only pay $169, and then also get the mini paper cutter, the designer series paper sampler, and a choice of your stamp set, which is really, really awesome. Now, at this point in time, I don't know if it's going to change, but unfortunately at this stage, I haven't been able to add any of the Ornate style stamps. It goes bow. So find a stamp set that you want to add to your list. I just chose this one just because. Now, if you don't know if you have a starter kit code, then you don't, because if you have one, you will know. So just make sure you click there, then you click no, then you click apply, and then this choose your free stamp set will open up. Once you choose that, this section here will open up, and I highly recommend getting your business supply pack, even if you don't want to start a business, because you get catalogs and a lot of other extra bits and pieces that are kind of fun to have, and it's free, so why not? Enjoy that. Now, this is, and you can take a photo of this or email me and I'll send this information to you. But this is my high recommendation of what you can do to get as much of these brand new Ornate garden suites items, the early release. This is my picks to be able to get the closest to the 235. And all that's missing at the moment is just the ribbon. That's all I've left out, because unfortunately the full bundle is $238, so it's just a couple of dollars over. So this is definitely what I recommend would be the best. And then once you sign up, you can just order the ribbon separately on your demonstrator order, along with a couple of other things that I'm sure you're going to want. Because there's always something else that we want, but at least you're getting 20% off once you join, so that's really great. So have a look at those. I highly recommend, because that's pretty much all of them. You're getting like both of the bundles, you're getting the embossing folder, you're getting the paper, the gems, and then I thought adding in the gold sheets is a little bonus, and it took us as close as we possibly can to getting the most out of our retail value. And it is something that you'll use with this beautiful bundle of products. Just click on here and see, oh yeah, it's got a little bit of information there for you, just so that you can see a bit more about it. And if you haven't got the blocks, maybe you can write them down. So that's really handy. And the Ornate, sadly they don't have the pictures in here yet, but if you, as long as you have those codes, and if you need a picture of this, I have a picture of that as well. Just make sure you're picking whatever stamp set you want, and then you just click continue, and it'll be filling out your information and payment. So nice and easy. If you have any issues with signing up, just let me know. We're here, and you do need to live in Australia to be able to sign up with me. But if you live in another country, you could do the exact same thing with the demonstrator that you order with. Just contact them and send them this video and say, I'd like to join up. Kylie told me I should join up with you. And yeah, I know that you're going to get a lot of amazing value out of that beautiful, amazing, actually I'll go to this page here, it's just so gorgeous. Is it that one? Yes. No. I'm like, where is it? That one. So the yeah, the beautiful Ornate Garden Suite. So if you have any questions whatsoever, please contact us. Remember, you do need to be in Australia to join, and it's a fantastic time to join. You do not get Sale-a-Bration items in your starter kit because it's just such good value. Like, you're getting $66 for free, plus free postage, plus the trimmer, plus the paper, plus the free stamp set. Like, seriously, what else do you want for free? Do you want the company to go broke? No. So you can, however, once you place an order in Sale-a-Bration stamp sets, and you get the same rewards as any other customer, but you pay less. So it's a win-win. Any questions, anything you want to ask me, please feel free to reach out to us. And happy shopping, and we shall speak to you very soon. I hope to invite you to the Crazy Crafters team very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.